Yo, Guap, you making beats again?
Opened up a song on my phone, say correct the foul. Boy, you suck ass on that song, boy, you know you foul. I smoke a nigga like a blunt or a black a mile. These niggas ain't tough, just be acting wild. I did a show in Detroit and jumped in the crowd. You know I ain't wearing ice, so let's chops around. Yeah, I need a new kit, finish shop around. Try to snatch something off my neck, you gon' get popped down. I got more connections than a Wi-Fi router. Hit your bitch one time and never talk about her. Kid, to my white eating her, we gon' make him shit. Right after that, we gonna load the clip. Man, your baby mama put your son in the crib. I was in the other room, yeah, cut your ribs. Said y'all in the field and y'all really demons. Reality is y'all bitches, man, I can't believe it.
Righteous with every step, you can really feel it. Moving like I already won, cause I can see it. Ain't no time for no stumbling. Fuck running, nigga, we gunning. Strategies and logistics, I'm studying how to plug it. It's mine because I want it. Manifested and I'm zoning. I stop it until I own it, little nigga. Not a soul that's gonna stop my fucking flow, little nigga. Corrupt files and fake smiles, expose y'all niggas like a bullet just released. No names but casualties, they turn me into a beast. Which one go get the feast? Dodging drama like I'm Neo. Not saving niggas for free though. You lose playing with me, ho. I do not fuck around. I'm in this pound for pound, collecting my bodies now. Just give me a solemn vow, cause my ass on the way down. Y'all some clowns, but Sally y'all not very entertaining. Control or delete, y'all niggas hella irritating.
I've been in the same spot, I never switch. Try to kill these niggas quick. Brody hit the switch. I got $1 million plans, I'm trying to get rich. You'll probably make it halfway right before you quit. I never quit, I gotta make them sick, they ain't fucking with me. Let me do some shit, got Monte in the sticks, and he shooting clips. Got my mans on the side, he like shooting shit. Got some niggas in Easter like cooking bricks. Let me change my flow, let me change my phone. Yeah, I got my chains on, cause them cameras on. What's on the floor? What these niggas on? I don't even drink, but mud in my styrofoam. Shots of Patron, if I get mad, shots hit your dome. No internet beat, pop at your home. I mean literally 10 shots through the nigga home.